Most men treat condom selection like a guessing game. They walk into a pharmacy, grab whatever is at eye level, and hope for the best. But in any high-performance endeavor, good enough is a failure. If it's too tight, you lose blood flow and sensation. If it's too loose, you're looking at a structural failure that ends the night early. Today, we're stripping away the awkwardness. This is the Men Uncovered Guide to finding your precision fit. Because your performance depends on the details. The metric. Why length is a myth. The biggest mistake men make is focusing on length. Condoms are designed with significant headroom. Most standard options are about 7 to 8 inches long. Unless you are at the extreme ends of the spectrum, length isn't your variable. Girth is the only metric that matters. Condom sizing is determined by nominal width. This is the measurement of the condom when it's laid flat on a table. To find your match, you need to know your circumference. If you aren't measuring, you're just guessing. The calculation. How to measure. You need 2 tools: a flexible measuring tape, or a piece of string, and a ruler. 1. The state. You must measure at full arousal. Measurements taken at any other time are useless. 2. The placement. Wrap the tape around the thickest part of the shaft. 3. The data. Note that number. The conversion. If your circumference is under 4.7 inches, you need a snug or iron fit. If you are between 4.7 and 5.1 inches, you are in the standard range. If you are above 5.1 inches, you move into large or XL territory. The material. Performance variables. Fit is the foundation, but material is the finish. Latex, the industry standard. Durable, but can dull sensation for some. Non-latex, polyisoprene. If you or your partner have sensitive skin, this is the elite choice. It conducts body heat better than latex, providing a more natural feel. Thin versus ribbed. This is tactical preference. Ultra-thin options prioritize your sensation. Textured options prioritize your partner's. Choose based on the objective of the encounter. The field test. Red flags. Once you have the correct size, you have to field test it. Look for these 3 red flags. 1. The slip. If the base moves or rolls up during activity, you've gone too large. 2. The tint. If your skin looks purple or feels numb, it's a tourniquet, not a condom. Go up a size. 3. The baggy tip. If there is excess material folding over itself, the nominal width is too wide. Closing. Master the details. Personal mastery isn't just about what you do in the office or the gym. It's about how you handle every aspect of your life with intention. Don't be the man who leaves his comfort or his safety to chance. Measure, test, execute. This is Men Uncovered. Subscribe for more tactical insights into the male experience. See you in the next one.